wiosna. How we pass each other because it will be difficult. The road is very narrow. But it was successful. Successful. It was successful. Hello, hello. Desert. It looks really different. That's desert like this. Desert. Desert, desert begins. Desert. Oh, he's referring to a place to sleep in his shop. Yes, in his shop. His shop is somewhere over there. Yes. Yes. Okay. It's gonna be dark very soon. It's gonna be dark, so probably I should approve this offer. I don't have choice. Maybe I could cycle 1 hour more, but probably it's enough for today. I think that this is good place to stay, really. Shop? Alcohol! You're selling alcohol, yes?
Yes, yes, one shop.
One shop. Okay, that's fine. Na Google Translatorze, zanim do mnie przyjdą, to tłumaczą sobie, ćwiczą, potem podchodzą i się pytają. Tak to działa. Tak działa ich język angielski. Jak kogoś spotykam, to transmitują spotkanie ze mną do swoich rodzin, do sąsiednich wsi. Jak wystarczy, że zrobię tak, i oni już są zachwyceni, bo oni tak nie robią tak. Ale muszę przez to przejść, żeby później móc spać gdzieś.
This is Mr. Naresh.
And I am getting in his second shop egg. But his egg is very hot. Oprócz jaj, które są na wierzchu, a pod spodem jest alkohol. Goście są naprawdę świetni, uważam. Bardzo łatwo jest podróżować. Bez absolutnie żadnych pieniędzy. No, pieniądze trzeba mieć na wizy i na części zapasowe do rowerów. To trzeba mieć. Hot egg. I can't with this guy, but he told me no. He does greet me something like this because I am too young for him, and so he refused to shake hands with me. It's very, very strange, but that's fine. I respect this. Szujemy co 100 metrów. Ja pokazuję, zobaczcie kogo mam, zobaczcie kogo tutaj mam. Hello.
My uncle.
Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm like a monkey. He has to show me everywhere. I have to just survive.
Dadiji.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, people so happy meet to you.
Idziemy gdzieś do jego domu. Nice to meet you. Że jak się ma 2 sklepy, to się i taki samochód, to się powinno mieć ekstra dom. Little bit danger, yes?
Yes.
The desert is a little bit cold right now. That's why he's covering. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. I slept here today. This is the roof of the shop. It's better than nothing. I can't buy something else right now. It's foggy morning because it's winter and it looks like this. I'm afraid of this road because so this is I'm afraid of wild animals because I'm a little bit scared. Półnagi przez pole. Są tu półnagi. Hello. No już. Should I eat this? Yes? They are offering me something to eat.
Hello.
He is keeping the mobile phone under his head and he is blocking me because he wants to capture me. Because I'm waiting for something to eat. No, just leave. No, 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 please, no, no.
Please
Just
no भाई छेड़ना.
how many times I have to prove that I'm superstar? How many times? For superstar here.
Mogę zrobić show, ale po prostu nie w każdej wsi, no po prostu nie w każdej wsi.
I filmują mnie jak małpkę. Is this water filtered? Because really I'm afraid to get ameba. Okay, because my pronunciation is different, yes?
Yes.
Entirely different. Not different, entirely different.
Przyszedł taki nauczyciel języka angielskiego na emeryturze i mówi, że moja wymowa, mój akcent jest inny niż brytyjski. Oczywiście ja się nigdy nie starałem być taki jak Brytyjczycy, dlatego że chciałem zawsze zachować swój akcent.
Ja ich lubię, ale muszę szybko jechać w dół Indii i nie mogę spędzać czasu tak jako taka małpka wszędzie, w każdym.
Americans have their accent, Scots have their accent, so let the Poles also have theirs.
Po prostu czekam tu już godzinę, a włączyłem stoper i się pośpieszyli. Przynieśli mi stół. Czas płynie inaczej w Indiach. Ja po prostu ciągle tego nie rozumiem, że jest tak jak w Afryce, że jeżeli ktoś mówi, że 5 minut, to znaczy, że mówi godzinę.
To jest wymiana. Ja im opowiadam coś, oni mi dają coś do zjedzenia.
Butter gajar.
Matur gajar. I don't know what is here. I don't know what is what.
How can you manage your residence, your food, and other facilities which you?
Okay.
In our campus.
Yes, okay. What is this school? Primary school, yes?
The teachers say these children have never seen a man of any other race.
Hello.
Like tea or coffee?
Tea or coffee? Maybe coffee.
Coffee.
Yes, coffee.
Nescafe.
Yes, Nescafe.
Coffee or
We are in the teacher's room somewhere in Rajasthan at school.
Hanuman.
What are the support rights?
These are freedom fighters of nations.
Freedom fighters of nations.
Father of nation. PM, president.
Father of nations, presidents and presidents. Everywhere desert. I'm afraid of white dogs because there are probably they don't have much to eat. And 2 dogs and me. I could lose this confrontation, unfortunately.
There were dramatic scenes in this village. The village elders wanted to drive me away, but The traveler is patient, and in a few moments he stands in front of a man with whom he cannot communicate in any language, but exchanges a few glances, which is enough.
Hello. 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 I told just hello.
And he asked me to take off my shoes because this is small temple. This is cue for a selfie. But that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. So I slept today here. But I'm happy that I found something. It was very hard initially. People rejected me, the older generation rejected. Spać w namiocie sama, to jest dosyć niebezpieczne, bo jest dużo psów i ludzie mnie widzieli też i to było niebezpieczne.
What a professional gate. Very professional gate.